Hi and welcome to the Jungle Palace. Today I'm going to be taking you briefly through my attempt at propagating my spider plant and my golden pothos. When you're cutting, you want to look for some good healthy tufts with small roots so that you know that it will grow in the water. You want to carefully snip off the tufts. Don't worry, you're not going to hurt the plant, and then just pop them in the water. You want to make sure the water isn't too cold. Room temperature is probably ideal. You don't want to give the cutting a cold shock when you're putting them in. And try to make sure the leaves aren't submerged so that you can watch them grow properly. So this is what I took the cuttings from my out of control golden pothos. You want to make sure you've got some healthy nodes, but make sure there aren't any dead roots. You can usually tell from where the roots are because they look similar to what they use for climbing. If you're in any doubt about whether you've got some healthy roots or not, just check near the leaves. There's usually some there. You want to cut at about a 45-degree angle, about halfway between the nodes, just making sure that there's more stem on the bottom than there is the top. And then just pop them in the water, and again, don't submerge the leaves. So I just use day old tap water. You just have to fill up a jar with some tap water, leave it on the windowsill for a day or so, and let the chlorine evaporate so you don't burn the roots when you put them in the jar. I made these cuttings on the 25th of October and it's now the 5th of November, so that's barely 2 weeks and already roots are starting to shoot, so that's a really good sign. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll keep you updated on how they're getting on. But yeah, if you've got any tips or tricks or anything, just put them down in the comment section and let me know if you like this video. Bye!